Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dwayne and this is the 411. In today's video, I'm giving you the 411 on Paris Corner's Ophidian Mango Bliss. Stay tuned. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the 411 where we talk fashion, fitness, and fragrance. Of course, if you're here, that means you're trying to smell good, you're into that smell good like I am, and you're a fragrance collector, hobbyist, all of the above. That's pretty much me in a nutshell. So if you're here for that, thank you for joining us. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video, definitely drop me a like, all right? In today's video, I do have a fragrance that is semi-hyped. Personally for me, I'm into tropical sweet fragrances. And if you are too, you're in the right place, because today we're going to be doing a first impressions of Ophidian Mango Bliss. This is supposed to be a iteration of Stephen Humber Lucas's God of Fire, which is a mango fragrance to say the least. And this one being called Mango Bliss. We hope that it is on par. Personally, I've not yet smelled God of Fire, but if you have, definitely drop some information in the comment section. If you smell Ophidian Mango Bliss, let us know what you think about that fragrance as well. So before we get into it, I'm going to show you the unboxing. So I want to give a quick shout out to these Middle Eastern houses because they provide us some unique packages, similar, even better than what niche houses are giving you, and way better than what designer brands are giving you. As we take a look at the box, we have a yellow, orangish mango type of feel. They do have the notes on the side there. The back, we have a bit of a serpent design, very shiny, very nice. You do have the Paris Corner logo on top of the box. On the bottom, we do have the ingredients, barcode, all your essential stuff, and now the bottle. Again, very beautiful, very unique design. Nothing like what you're gonna have in your collection currently. And also on the side, they provide some information, almost like a poem in a sense, for the Ophidian line. Now, as you can see, the bottle design does have a snake wrapped around the collar of the bottle. That's going to be hit and miss for a lot of people. Personally, I'm not a big fan of snakes. At the bottom, we do have a sticker. The back, really nothing happening. Nice gradient though, from that orange, yellow to the gold at the bottom. And again, that snake does stand out. I mean, it looks kind of nice. It does complement the bottle. One problem you're going to notice is that there's a cap issue here. That cap does get stuck. You have to pull it out. You may want to glue that back into the cap properly. But again, pretty normal defect when it comes to these Middle Eastern houses. Now, before I forget this is a mango blast. This does give you a nice blast of mango off top. Stay tuned for the rest of my review. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. And of course, if you did, drop me a like. Again, likes definitely help the channel grow. And because I'm pretty much paying for these fragrances out of pocket, it definitely helps with motivating me to bring you guys more content. The package, right? As you saw in the unboxing, the packaging is very nice, very sleek, very niche-like. As you could see, we also have the notes on the side of the package there. But because we've already went into the unboxing, let's go ahead and just get this fragrance on skin. I'm gonna go ahead and get it on skin for you shortly. Very decent atomizer, good distribution. On first spray, you do get a blast of mangoes and fruits, mainly the red berries that they mentioned that's gonna be in here, okay? Smells beautiful, smells gorgeous. In the air, this fragrance does lean unisex as well. I could see a male or female walking by with this on. Now, granted, the fragrance does lean more sweet, so you want to keep that in mind. This is a sweet tropical fragrance. So if you're not one that's into sweet fragrances, you're gonna want to stay away from this. But also in the air, very aromatic. You get some freshness mixing with that sweetness. But mainly you're getting fresh fruits. You're getting a bit of mango in there as well. A slight spicy ginger touch to it. Very, very good. Very, very noticeable as well. So let's go ahead and get this on skin. All right, guys, so on skin, this thing is phenomenal. You're getting that ginger, surprisingly. Usually my nose, I don't really pick up ginger that often, but with this one, you're getting the ginger mixing with the sweetness. It's like a ginger, fruity, sweet type of fragrance off bat. And the mango that you get is not a ripened mango. It's more like a mango skin. If you ever had a green mango, a mango that wasn't ripe, that's kind of what you get when it comes to the mango in this particular fragrance. Again, that sweetness is pronounced. I feel like you're getting a good mix of the mango with the fruity notes. It's not just a mango scent. It's a fruity, sweet mango scent. Kind of get like a Latafa Badi Al Oud Sublime type of feel, mixed with mangoes. That's probably the closest and most easiest way I could kind of give you a description of this scent. The scent also has a bit of a fuzzy texture to it. For me, I get like a fuzzy sweetness as far as the fragrance. Very tropical, very summer, very attractive, as I mentioned. So let's jump into the notes. I'll give you information on what Paris Corner has on their website in regards to the notes. And again, I did pick this up from Frag Bar here in Mississauga. So I'll give you what they have on their website as well and for what they're selling it for. By the way, no affiliation with Frag Bar, but they do have a lot of Middle Eastern fragrances. And that's how I'm able to kind of get my hands on some of these hard to find releases. So on the official notes of Ophidian Mango Bliss on Paris Corner, the top notes we have mango, lemon, ginger, and red berries. And in the middle, we have woody notes, coumarin, and jasmine. And in the base, we have musk, amber oud, and cypriol oil. So as far as those notes, you're gonna pick up the mango, the ginger, the red berries. The lemon is there. There is a citrus opening as well, but again, a lot of that's being masked by the sweetness of the fruits that you do get. So as far as the woody notes and the coumarin, that comes in after the sweetness has dissipated on your skin. You do get a bit of the woody texture to this. You do get the coumarin. As far as the jasmine, I don't really get much of that. Again, the sweetness, the mango, the ginger, the slight citrus opening is mainly what you get. And in the far dry down is where the musky mango sweetness actually stays on your skin for the rest of the fragrance's lifespan. Let's talk about my experience with this fragrance for the few days that I've been wearing it. One thing that I've tried to do throughout the day is kind of get you guys information on longevity. Now on my skin, this lasted about 4 to 5 hours initially. I was doing a lot of moving around, so I expected it to last a little bit longer, but I got 4 to 5 hours before it became a skin scent. Now during that time, I was smelling myself on and off just to kind of find out any nuances that I could find to bring back to you guys. And what I found was, I find myself sniffing the fragrance and trying to pick out like a masculine aspect of the fragrance, something that stood out more masculine than feminine. And the fragrance definitely leans more feminine. Throughout the opening, the mid, and the dry down, I didn't get any kind of a masculine touch to this fragrance. I did reapply the fragrance midday, just kind of start myself over and kind of search for that masculine touch. But again, it is mainly a feminine leaning fragrance. Again, as far as it being a unisex fragrance, I could pull this off because I'm into sweet fragrances. I wear them confidently. And if you could do that too, then this will wear pretty good on your skin also. I'm hoping with due time, the fragrance performance does kind of increase as far as longevity. But what I can tell you is that as far as the projection, it is very good. So as far as projection, this thing projects off your skin for the first hour or so. It is very noticeable. In the 2 to 3 hour mark, it kind of draws itself back in. And again, the 4 to 5 hour mark, you have to kind of put your nose very close to your skin to get it. So that's gonna be my information as far as performance and longevity. And when we talk about situations where you could wear this fragrance, as a woman, you could wear this fragrance pretty much on any occasion, whether that be to the office, on a first date, out with your girls, clubbing, partying, this will do you justice. As far as my fellas, this won't be a office safe fragrance for you. It's kind of sweet, and as a guy, you don't really want that overly sweet aspect to be on you when you're in the office. As far as the dating aspect, you're gonna wanna wear this with a female that you're a little bit more comfortable with and she knows that your scent changes from time to time. But first date, I would not say this is safe. Office, I would not say this is a safe fragrance to wear in the office either for my fellas. What I would say is if you're going to a day party, for example, it's bright, it's sunny, it's hot, you're going to a day party, or if you're gonna be on the beach or you're gonna be on a resort, somewhere tropical, this would be a great scent for you to wear. It'll stand out, it'll get you noticed. people will smell it in the air and it will attract the women. I believe the mango scent in here is phenomenal. It is, like I mentioned, not so much a ripe, juicy mango, but the mango scent is there. It is very pleasurable and it will draw the women in for sure. As far as the fragrance overall, I'm gonna give this fragrance an 8 out of 10. I really do like it and I wish I could give it a higher mark, but there's a couple things that is missing in here for me. Again, the woody notes don't fully shine through as much, and it's not quite a unisex scent like I believe it to be. It's more of a feminine lean-in fragrance. So I would not be surprised at all if I actually give this bottle to my fiance. I think this will smell amazing on her. And as far as that being said, fellas, sample this before you do buy it. So I hope that review helped you guys. I will be doing another review once this thing kind of matures. And I'm actually gonna be going away, and I kind of want to bring this with me, just kind of see how it performs in the high heat. Now it being September, it's kind of a cool type of vibe, and I believe this thing would do very well in the high heat. So stay tuned for that. Drop me a like, subscribe if you haven't as of yet, and I hope to see you guys in the next one, all right? Thank you for watching. Stay smelling good. Stay blessed. Peace.